Alright, so let's check out this attic space up in the carport. No screens on your vent already. That's the turbine that won't spin, but it needs to be screened off on the inside as well. And that's why. Those are mud dauber tubes. Those are wasps starting to grow inside of your attic. That's why you need a screen on all your vents coming into the attic. Now, I'm not entering this attic, and this is the primary reason. All of the electrical lines are attached directly in front of the attic access hatch, so I'd have to crawl on top of all of these electrical wires just to access the attic. This is not safe. This is not how you do it. The original electrical panel is right there, right below us, so I understand why it's here, but it's not safe. There's a few conditions up here that I'd like to point out. You know, this is old fabric wiring. They used fabric wiring to secure it to the stud. So we've got wiring going out throughout. I would have to crawl over the top of all these wires. Look at how nicely they got these wires right against those really sharp metal plates. You know, that's not good right there at all. Anytime those electrical wires are going to ride up on that metal, that's asking for an electrical fire. Your plumbing system in here has been somewhat updated. So this is an old galvanized steel plumbing vent stack. Then they replaced ABS over there and ABS down. This is an old galvanized steel plumbing vent as well. It's unusual how they did the dryer vent, right? They had it going up in the back room, over, and then back down into the carport. And this is the exhaust they gave us for that. Who knows what that one's for? I mean, that's a dryer vent down there on the floor as well. But I suppose with the remodels, they had to move things around. So now you're pushing your lint up, horizontal, completely horizontal, in the attic, which you can do, but their chance of building up lint is going to be pretty high. Let's see how secure this is. That's how secure that is. Do you just see that? Now I gotta fix it. What is that? What are we touching here? A grounding wire? Bonding wire? Probably. Great, now I get to fix this. Cheap ass. What are you guys thinking? Come on, finish your job. It's so aggravating. Now I'm supposed to test shit, and I gotta fix it. I'm not gonna get that on all the way. Get somebody out to fix it. That's ridiculous. Insulation level up here, not too bad, but it's all original. It's gonna be lacking. I can see the bottom of the trusses, top of the truss bottom cords. That's a problem. I'd like to see more insulation than that. This insulation is getting old and it's really dirty. It's about time to pull this out and update the insulation, but it's a flipped house. Most people don't mess around with attic spaces when they're flipping a house. Let's see if I can get over there. What's it look like on the back there? Ugh. Ugh. That looks rough. I'm not going to say there's a problem with it. That laundry vent's got to go. That's just insulation that was blown up on the side there.